morning to all of you. Myself, Ani Gupta, student of class 11th B.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Deepika Rajput, standard of class 11th A.
Today's international news are: first, Canada to pull down at that led Donald Trump to end trade talk. The leader of Canada's most popular provinces said Friday he will pull all the anti-traffic that promoted US President Donald Trump to end trade talk with Canada. Ontario Premier Doug Ford said after talking with Prime Minister Mary Carney, he will decided pause the advertising campaign effective Monday so that trade talk can resume. Trump announced he will ending all trade navigation with Canada because of television sponsored by Ontario that used the word of former President Ronald Reagan to criticize U.S. traffic. He will achieve our goals having reached U.S. audience at the highest level, Ford said in a statement. Second news. Thailand PM cancelled Asian trip after Queen Mother secret death. Thailand President Minister cancelled his trip to Malaysia, achieved the Asian Summit on Saturday due to the death of Kingdom's mother, secret and members the singing of ceasefire deal with Cambodia that US President Donald Trump is set to witness with weekend. Foreign Minister of the Association of Southern Asian Nations will meeting on the Saturday to start a weekend of global diplomacy in Malaysian capital with team from the United States and the China holding trade talk alongside this summit.
Third news. Hamas-Palestine function agreed to hand Gaza to technocrat panel. The main Palestine political function, including Hamas, said Friday they had agreed that an independent committee of technocrats would take over the running of post-war Gaza during a meeting in Cairo, according to a joint statement published on the Hamas website. The groups agreed to hand over the administration of Gaza Strip to a temporary Palestine committee composed of independent technocrats. It said committee would manage that affair of life and basic service in cooperation and Arab Brothers and international institution. Fourth news in grave human rights violation. India slammed Pakistan at UN. We call upon Pakistan to end the grave and ongoing human rights violation in the area illegally occupied by it, where the population is in over revolt against Pakistan's military occupation, repression, brutality, and illegal exploitation of resources. Ambassador Harris said while addressing the United Nations Security Council during the open debate organized on 18th UN Day on Friday local time, reiterating that Jammu Kashmir will always be an integral and inalienable part of India. Ambassador said while the people in the region exercise their fundamental rights and concepts are alien to Pakistan. Thank you.